Hello friends, Max Dandy here, and this is a simple guide on how to install a disk drive for the PlayStation 5 Pro or PlayStation 5 Digital. I'll be showing it on my PS5 Pro, but the process is the same for both consoles. So let's begin. Step 1. Properly turn off your console by pressing the PlayStation logo on the controller, going to the control center on the bottom, then hit that power icon and choose Turn off PS5. Step 2. Unplug all of the cables and position your console horizontally. The front panel should be facing you, and the power button should be on your right. And this small rubber leg with PlayStation icon should also be on the right side. If you have this plastic feet installed, remove them. Step 3. See this bigger panel? Try to lift it up with your fingers from the front side. It should come off easily. Step 4. Take your disk drive and locate these two clips. This will go inside of these holes on the PlayStation. The connector of the disk drive should go to this socket on the console. So put the clips inside, lay the disk drive flat, and then press down on it. Hear the click? You did a good job. Step 5. Take the cover of your disk drive. Then line up the clips of the cover with these holes on the PlayStation. Put them in and lay the cover down. Then press on it from the front side until it snaps in with a click. And don't forget about the plastic feet if you want to use your console horizontally. The stock feet are too small, so you will need the ones that came with your disk drive. So attach them and you're almost done. Step 6. Plug in the cables, turn on your PS5 and follow the on-screen instructions. The disk drive will register to your PlayStation 5, but don't worry, it can be later disconnected and used with another console. I actually got mine secondhand from Amazon and it works like a charm. Oh, and this is how you insert the discs. The print image of the disc should be on the same side as the front panel of your PS5. So that's it, thank you for watching. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and have a great day, bye!